Another one of the new features in FlowWright is regards to forms. We have a new control that is able to populate the data from a SQL query. So let me show you that feature. Let me go ahead and log into FlowWright. Once I log in, I'm going to go to Form Definitions. And I have this little form set up called Dynamic Data. And I have a simple label control and a text control. But I also have this new control called Fill from Database. And if I go into that control and go to the configuration, you will see that I have selected a connection. I have, in this case, is the default connection to the FlowWright database. And I'm running a SQL query against the database. And one of the standard tables is the user table. So I'm just running a simple query to get the current user's username and the user full name from the database and populate. And you can see I also have mappings here where I'm telling this particular field from the database should be put into the label field, label one, and external user full name should be put into the text one control. And let's go ahead and save this and run this. And according to this SQL query, you can also see I'm using variable.initiateID, which will use the current user's ID, which is system variable for us. And so let's go ahead and save this and do preview. And you can see automatically the data got populated. Okay. And this data could be coming from other data sources, wherever, based on the query that you have provided. And you can populate any number of controls using this data also. This particular control just for one of them, but we also have another control called label control, label from database, that you can also configure if you just want single control. But this control is able to also do many updates to various controls. So this is another control that is in our form toolbox that you can easily use. On the configuration, there's also another setting called run only on create. If you don't want this to run every time this form is open, you can just run it on the create also. A very nice, very good feature to have forms. Thank you for watching. Hope this feature helps you in whatever you build within FlowWright forms. Thank you.